Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on improving attrition in call centers. High attrition isn't just an HR issue, it affects service levels, operational costs, customer satisfaction, and overall business growth. In today's discussion, we'll explore practical, proven strategies to reduce turnover, including better recruitment and onboarding, career development opportunities, compensation and workload management, employee engagement initiatives, and leadership and technology improvements. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear roadmap to create a workplace where employees feel valued, supported, and motivated to stay, helping your call center achieve greater stability, efficiency, and customer loyalty. Let's start with recruitment and onboarding improvements because the employee journey begins even before day one. The first step is offering realistic job previews. Candidates should clearly understand what the role involves, call volumes, performance expectations, and workplace culture right at the start. This transparency helps prevent mismatched expectations, reducing early exits in the first few months. Next, we need structured onboarding programs. A simple orientation isn't enough. Successful call centers blend classroom training with simulated calls and mentorship programs. This combination builds both skills and confidence, allowing new hires to handle real scenarios effectively from the beginning. Finally, skill matching plays a critical role. Using AI-driven tools to assess a candidate's temperament, strengths, and learning style ensures they're placed in roles where they're most likely to succeed. For example, some may thrive in handling sales calls, while others excel in technical support roles. Together, these strategies reduce new hire attrition within the first 3 to 6 months, improve job role alignment, and set the stage for long-term employee success and retention. Next, let's talk about training and career development, because employees stay longer when they see a clear path for growth. The first strategy is offering continuous learning opportunities. Cross-skilling agents across chat, email, and voice channels prevents monotony, keeps their workday interesting, and builds a more flexible, multi-skilled workforce. The second is creating a career path framework. Employees want to see transparent growth ladders, how they can move from agent to team-led, or transition into specialist roles like quality or training. When the career path is clear, it provides purpose and direction, reducing the likelihood of attrition. Finally, implementing AI-powered learning platforms takes training to the next level. Personalized learning plans based on skill gaps and performance analytics ensure that employees get the right training at the right time, making professional development both efficient and engaging. Together, these initiatives show employees that their growth matters, leading to higher retention rates, stronger engagement, and lower recruitment costs in the long run. Now let's move on to compensation and benefits optimization, one of the most critical levers for retaining talent in a competitive job market. The first step is competitive pay benchmarking. Regularly reviewing pay scales against industry standards ensures your compensation packages remain attractive. Employees are far less likely to leave when they know they are paid fairly for their work and skills. The second strategy is offering performance-based incentives. Rather than linking bonuses solely to call volumes, reward agents for achieving quality-driven KPIs like customer satisfaction scores, first call resolution, or even consistent attendance. This approach encourages balanced performance and motivates employees to focus on delivering better customer experiences, not just handling higher volumes. Finally, flexible benefits are becoming increasingly important. Perks like remote work stipends, mental health support programs, and wellness initiatives show employees you value their overall well-being, not just their productivity. Together, these measures significantly improve employee satisfaction, strengthen loyalty, and reduce voluntary exits, leading to a more stable and engaged workforce. Now let's focus on workforce scheduling and flexibility, a key area for improving employee work-life balance and reducing attrition. The first strategy is implementing shift bidding tools. By allowing agents to choose their preferred shifts through self-service portals, organizations can give employees greater control over their schedules, something that directly improves job satisfaction. Next, AI-powered workforce management solutions can transform staffing practices. These tools use data to predict absenteeism patterns and optimize staffing levels in real time, ensuring the right number of agents are available at the right times without overburdening the team. Finally, offering remote and hybrid work options can be a game changer. For many employees, long or expensive commutes add unnecessary stress. Remote work not only reduces this burden but also widens the talent pool, attracting skilled agents who value flexibility. Together, these initiatives enhance work-life balance, reduce burnout, and significantly lower attrition caused by rigid scheduling. Next, let's explore employee engagement and recognition, because feeling valued and connected is essential for employee retention. The first strategy is gamification programs. Introducing leaderboards, badges, and rewards tied to KPIs like first call resolution or customer satisfaction turns performance tracking into a fun and motivating experience. It encourages healthy competition while keeping employees engaged. Second, regular feedback loops are critical. Using AI-driven sentiment analysis on employee surveys helps organizations understand employee mood, identify pain points, and uncover engagement drivers in real time. When employees see their feedback leading to actual changes, it strengthens trust and loyalty. Finally, peer recognition platforms enable team members to publicly acknowledge each other's contributions. This peer-to-peer appreciation fosters a positive workplace culture where everyone feels seen and valued, not just by leadership but by their colleagues too. Together, these initiatives improve morale, strengthen engagement, and significantly lower attrition risk, creating a workplace where employees want to stay and thrive. Now let's move on to workload and stress management, because managing call volumes and employee well-being is key to lowering attrition. First, AI call routing and load balancing can make a big difference. By evenly distributing calls across available agents, AI prevents situations where some employees face overwhelming workloads during peak times, helping to reduce burnout and maintain service quality. Second, self-service options and chatbots handle routine queries like password resets, account updates, or simple FAQs. This reduces the live agent workload, allowing employees to focus on more complex interactions where human skills really matter. Finally, mental health support programs, like employee assistance programs and stress management workshops, provide employees with the tools and resources to handle workplace pressure effectively, showing that the organization values their well-being. Combined, these initiatives lower occupancy stress, improve job satisfaction, and significantly reduce attrition rates, creating a healthier, more productive work environment. Now let's talk about leadership and management practices, because the relationship between supervisors and agents plays a huge role in retention. The first strategy is coaching and mentorship. Training supervisors on empathetic leadership and providing real-time performance feedback helps build trust, improves agent confidence, and fosters professional growth. Second, transparent communication is key. When leaders openly share business goals, SLA priorities, and career opportunities, employees feel more informed, connected, and aligned with organizational objectives. Finally, AI-driven performance insights take leadership effectiveness to the next level. Using call analytics and real-time dashboards, managers can quickly identify areas where agents need coaching and provide targeted support before small issues become big problems. Together, these practices strengthen supervisor-agent relationships, improve engagement, and significantly reduce attrition caused by poor management. Finally, let's look at technology and process enhancements because modern tools and efficient processes directly influence employee productivity and satisfaction. The first area is modern CRM and telephony systems. Outdated or slow systems frustrate agents, delay responses, and increase stress levels. Upgrading to fast, user-friendly platforms streamlines workflows and helps agents work efficiently. Next, AI-powered knowledge bases give employees quick access to FAQs and resolution steps, reducing time spent searching for information. This lowers average handle time and makes problem-solving faster and less stressful for agents. Lastly, process automation transforms repetitive tasks like after-call work, ACW, into quick, automated actions. This saves valuable time, reduces fatigue, and allows employees to focus on tasks that need human judgment and empathy. Together, these enhancements improve efficiency, reduce workload fatigue, and boost employee retention, creating a modern, supportive work environment. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.